few different starts here, I guess. Cut them, edit them. 1, 2, 3. Hello. No, don't like that one. Hi. No. Hello, and welcome back to Squintless Min. Got a little video here, which is sort of technique I thought might work. I wanted to give it a go, and that's to use a TIG welder to weld a piece of filler wire onto a dent that you can't get to the back of. And that's part of a longer video that I'll probably do, which is about the prep for the boot. It's another saga like the bonnet was, but I just wanted to pull this short little video out just as like a tech tip, so you didn't have to be bored by the whole boot video or boot lid video to be able to see the tip. Quite often you do stuff and you hide it in a longer video and it gets missed, so as I say, I pulled this out. It's a standalone video, just a little technique that I don't know whether I saw it anywhere or just thought it might work, but anyway, let me know what you think. And on that note, letting me know what you think, I'm wondering about what to do in the future of the channel, because obviously the Escort is coming along. It's painted, it's driving, we've got the aircon done on it, all the bits and pieces, just about to put the vinyl roof on, and then we're going to move on to the next project. But the next project might not be like a series. You know, the Escort we were doing like full on, day after day after day, and the next projects may be a bit of work on the E12, or you know, maybe a bit of work on the old pickup truck. I've got an E30 that wants work on. We've got this race car behind, a V8, which I actually stopped work on to do the Escort. So I was wondering whether I do like a garage blog, you know, just like a weekly update on the things that I've done and you know how things are going. So yeah, if you feel like telling me what you'd like to see, drop it in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers for now. What I've done here is TIG welded this piece of welding wire onto this scrap metal, because I want to see how much of a pull I can get on it. So I've got the old pliers, grabbed hold of it and given it a good tug, and well, it's enough certainly with me holding it here to pull the metal out of shape. So the idea here is to take this bonnet where I can't I keep calling it a freaking bonnet, where I've got this dent and I can't get to it, is to TIG weld a piece of wire into the middle of it and try and pull that dent up. Wish me luck. Actually, that's really on there, so there ain't no reason why I can't pull that dent out. Wish me luck. Right, helmet. Tungsten, I've just sharpened that. Turn that off while I put that in there so I don't fry myself. These low frequency start welders, if you're like this, if you've got like bare arms or whatever, and you go to start and you're touching it, you don't quite get close enough, you'll get the zap from the low frequency start instead, which always is a bit of a giggle, wakes you up a bit. It's not like a 240 volt electric shock, but you know it. Okay. Gas is out. That's the start. There's the other blast there. I should probably just blow a big hole in it, eh? Because it always works well on the practice shop. Mumble, I'm not the on a newbie beginning to weld anyway. See? I haven't even got an earth on it. There we go. Well, it's on there. Don't know how well on there it is. It hasn't just gone ping. So I'll try the mulgrich first. Back in it now. Tell where somebody comes from by the way that they name their tools. I refer these to it as a mulgrip. An American brother would call them a vice grip. I did wonder about using a slide hammer. Would probably do the trick a bit easier. Need a ruler. Oh, where's my bloody ruler gone? Oh well, put it away. Don't think it away. And then we're going again. It's actually already quite a improvement. I think I'll call that a win. I'm having that. grind that flush, and what's left of whatever we'll grind. So just going to try that one as well. Nothing like pushing your luck. Just about in the middle. Still a little bit low, but nowhere near as bad as it was. If I'd left it, I would have had to put some glass fibre in it. It's just too thick really to fill the filler. And obviously the reason why I can't get to the back is because the inner skin is just as it would be running through that area and bonded. I love that. I'll finish the rest off with filler. Certainly an improvement. It's still low, but I'd rather have them low than high. They could go more. But like I say, no real need. Interesting technique. To be continued, I think. I'll try and use this in the future if I need to pull something that you can't get to. The beats drilling holes, putting self-tappers in and bonking with a slide hammer on the self-tappers, which always ends up with a volcano, and then you have to weld the holes up. So, and obviously you've got the ones on the market which are the spot welders, where you've got a slide hammer and you, with the electrode, copper electrode sort of welds on there, and then you just sort of bonk it out. But they're expensive. They're hundreds of pounds, and I can't afford that for the once or twice a year that I might want to use it.